Hi, my dear children. How are you all, children? Yes, that's good. I hope that you are all doing good. Children, are you playing? Enough, children. Enough of playing. It's time for learning. Are you ready for learning? Come on. Now we are going to learn English subject. Yes. Now are you ready to see the topic? Yes. In today's class, we are going to learn the letters O and P, and also we are going to write both capital and small letters O and P. Is it clear? Are you ready? Let us start with the letter O. What is it? Letter O. Tell me, what is it? Letter O. Shall we trace this letter, children? Yes, to trace this letter, take your index finger. This is your index finger, okay? Do like me, okay? Place on screen, place your index finger at this point. Yes, like this. Yes, move along the letter. Yes, like this you can trace the letter O. This is a circle. It looks like a circle now. Very good. What it is? Letter O. Let's see examples, okay? Come on. What it is, children? Can you see this? What it is? Very good. You are correct. This is an orange. What it is? Orange. What it is, children? Yes, it's a bird. Can you name this? Owl. What it is? Owl. Very good. What it is? It's a vegetable. What it is? Onion. Very good. What it is? Again, it's a bird, children. Do you know its name? Yes, correct. Ostrich. What it is? This is a bird. Its name is ostrich. What it is, children? It's a sea animal. What it is? Can you tell me its name? Yes, it's an octopus. What it is? An octopus. Very good. Now, can you see the pictures on screen, children? How many pictures are given to you? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 pictures are given to you. Children, now tell me the first letter of this picture. Can you tell me? Children, just now we saw these pictures. What is the first letter of these pictures? Let's see. Oh, this is orange. This is ostrich. This is onion. This is owl. This is, what is this? Octopus. Now can you tell me the first letter of these 5 pictures? Very good. That is letter O. Yes, children. Orange, ostrich, onion, octopus and owl. These 5 are begin with which letter? Letter O. Very good, children. Now are you all got a clear idea about letter O? Very good. Let's move on to letter P. What it is? Letter P. This is letter P. See here clearly. This is letter P. Shall we trace this letter? Do you? Yes. Come on. To trace this letter, take your index finger. Okay. Place it here on screen. First put a standing line. What is this? We are putting standing line. Once again, put a standing line. Next, start from here and put a right curve. Okay, use your index finger and trace. Okay, trace like this. Yes, right curve. Standing line and one right curve. What it is? Letter P. Open your mouth and tell. Letter P. Very good. Let's see some examples, children. Children, can you see this? What it is? Yes, this is a fruit. Very good. Can you name this? Correct, children. Keep it up. Pineapple. What it is? Pineapple. Very good. Next one. What it is, children? Can you tell me? Do you like coloring? Do you like painting? Then you can know this name. Yes, this is paint brush and this is palette. Very good. What it is? Paint brush and palette. Very good. What it is, children? Yes, it's an animal. Have you ever seen it? Where? In TV programs. Yes, we can see this panda in What it is? Daily you are using it. What it is? Pencil. Very good. What it is? Pencil. Children, open your mouth and repeat. Okay, repeat all the words. Children, can you see this? What it is? It's a bird. Can you name this? Very good, children. Super. You are correct. This is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. This is a parrot. Now tell me, can you see there are 5 pictures are given to you in the screen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pictures are given to you. Children, now tell me the first letter of this picture. Just now we saw these pictures. Can you tell me? Let's name what it is. Pineapple. This is paintbrush and palette. This is panda. This is pencil. And what is it? Parrot. Now can you tell me the first letter of these pictures? Yes, correct. P. These 5 pictures are begin with the letter P. Pineapple, paintbrush, palette. P. Panda. P. Pencil. Parrot. Have you all clear? Yes, children. I hope that you are all having a clear idea about and familiarized with the letters O and P. Is it? Yes, very good. Now it's time for writing, children. Now we are going to write both capital and small letters O and P. Are you ready? Take your note and pencil, okay? Children, are you all ready with your note and pencil? Before writing the letters, let's recall the basic lines. What are these? These are basic lines. What is this? Correct. Standing line. This is sleeping line. This is slanting line. This is left curve. And this is, what is this? Right curve. Have you all clear with this? Come on. Now we are going to write first the capital O. What is it? Capital O. Children, have you noted in your note you have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You have to clear with this 4 lines. Okay. To write capital O, you have to use first 3 lines. In 4 lines, what lines? First 3 lines O. To write O, you have to put a circle. Okay. Start at a point, left curve and end up with the right curve. How it looks? It looks like a circle now. Yes, very good. Shall we? Come on. First listen to me. Start at the first point and cover with third. First 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, put a circle or put a left curve and continue with the right curve. What is it? Capital O. Okay, capital O. Take your pencil and now write with me. Take your pencil at the first line and put a left curve like this. Yes, continue with the right curve. Now, are you all writing? What is it? Capital O. Very good. One more time. Keep your pencil at the first line and put a left curve, children. Left curve. Yes. From first to third line and continue it with the right curve. This is right curve now. This is left curve. Joining these two, we are getting capital O. Shall we write one more time? Come on. Start at the first line and put a left curve and continue with the right curve. Okay, it looks like a circle. You have to use only first 3 lines. We didn't use the 4th line. Have you noted? Yes. Now we are moving to the word. Small O. Okay, small O. To write small letter O, we have to use only the middle 2 lines. Small circle. This is small letter O. Are you all writing, children? Okay, super. Now are you clear with capital and small O? Very good. Now we are moving to the letter P. This is capital P. For this we are using first 3 lines. We didn't touch the 4th line. Okay. Very good. First start from the first line. Put a standing line. What is this? Standing line from first to 3rd line. Okay, is it clear? Next, put a right curve like this. What is this? Right curve like this. Right curve from first to 2nd. What is this? Letter P. Okay, write with me. Put a standing line first to 3rd line. Next, what we have to do? One curve, just a curve, left curve. Very easy now, children. This is very easy. Yes, super. Now, write with me. Yes, super. Very good. Write with me, children. One standing line and one right curve. We have to use first 3 lines. Don't go on 4th line. Okay. This is capital P. Standing line and right curve. This is capital P. No. Very good. Shall we move to small p? This is also very easy. We have to use last 3 lines. Okay. Don't start from first line. For small p, you have to start from where do we start? We have to start from 2nd line. Please remember this points, children. Okay. For small p, start from the 2nd line and put a standing line and curve small left right curve from here. Okay. Have you all noted? Standing line and leave some space and start from here and put a right curve. Okay. The lines are difference between the capital and small letters. Okay. For capital we are using first 3. Small we are using last 3. Standing line from 2nd to 4th. Have you all writing? Come on. And leave some space and right curve. This is letter small p. Very good. Children, open your mouth and tell the letter P and write standing line, 2nd line to 4th line and put what? Right curve. This is small p. Standing line and right curve like this. Okay. Right curve like this. Okay. Very good. Standing line from where do we start? 2nd to 4th. Okay. And again we have to start from here and put a right curve. Standing and right curve. Children, are you all clear with the capital and small letter O1P? Very good. Keep practice daily. Write at once a day. Okay, children? Okay, children, right? Now it's time for activity. We are going to do some interesting activity. Children, are you all ready for the activities? Yes, I hope that you are all eager. Do it with interest. Okay, let's see the activity 1. The activity is circle the pictures that begin with letter. Which letter? O. Okay. Have you all? Can you see these pictures? What is this? Owl. This is peas. This is orange. This is cycle. Do you know to write the cycle, children? Very good. This is octopus. This is ostrich. Yes. From these pictures, you have to pick and circle pictures that begin with letter O. Now, can you tell me? Yes. Let's see one by one. What it is? Owl. Is it begin with letter O or not? Tell me, children. Yes. The word owl is begin with letter O. Then we have to circle it. Very good. What it is? Peas. Is it begin with letter O or not? No, no, no. We have to move to the next picture. What is it? Orange. What is it? Orange. Is it begin with letter O or not? Orange. Which letter gives the sound O? Yes, letter O. We have to circle it. Okay. What is it? Cycle. Cycle. Open your mouth and repeat. Cycle. Is it begin with letter O or not? No, no, no. We have to circle it. No. Very good. Next, what is it? It's a bird. Can you name this? Ostrich. Ostrich. Which letter gives the O sound, children? Yes, you are correct. Is it begin with O or not? Yes, it's begin with O. We have done the activity. Did you enjoy this? One more for you. Now, the activity is tick. You have to tick the pictures that begin with letter. Which letter? P. Let's see the given picture. What is it? Cake. Very good. This is pen. This is penguin. What is it? Penguin. What is it? Have you ever seen this, children? Olives. What is it? These are olives. What is it? Panda. Very good. Now are you ready to tick the pictures that begin with letter P? Let's see one by one. This is cake. Open your mouth and tell cake. Is it begin with P or not? No. It's not begin with P. Very good. What is it? Pin. Is it begin with P sound or not, children? Letter P or not? Pin. P. Which letter gives the sound P? Yes, P letter. It's begin with letter P. We have to tick this. Okay. What is it? Penguin. What is it? Penguin. Is it begin with letter P or not? How can we find? Yes, the letter P gives the sound P. Penguin. Yes, this is also begin with letter P. Move on to next one. What is it? Just now I told you. Can you tell me? Correct. Olives. What is it? Olives. These are olives. Is it begin with P letter? No. Very good. Move on to this one. What is it? Panda. Is it begin with letter P or not, children? Open your mouth and tell. Panda. Panda. Which letter gives the sound P? Yes. P letter gives the sound Pa. Panda begin with the letter P. We have to tick no. Very good. Did you enjoy this? I hope that. Now it's time to do second activity. Let's see. Write the first letter of the given pictures. Can you see? There are two pictures are given to you. What are these? Just now we saw olives. What is this? Ostrich. Yes, children. Now you are going to write the first letter of olives and first letter of ostrich. Can you tell me what is the first letter of these two pictures? Which letter gives the sound O? Children? Yes, you are correct. Very good, children. O. Ilya. The letter O gives the sound O. Olives and ostrich. Olives and ostrich. Children, open your mouth and try to repeat all the words, children. Then only you can recognize the sounds of letters. Olives and ostrich. Very good. The next one. What is it? Again, you are going to write the first letter of the given picture. What it is? Pear. It is a fruit. No. Pear. It is pan. We used in the kitchen to cook foods. No. Pan. Pan. Children, now can you tell me what is the first letter of these two pictures? Yes. Think, children. Which letter gives the sound pan? Yes, you are correct. Letter P. Pan. This is pan. Pan. Okay. That's it, children. Now I am going to give you an enrichment activity. After this class, when you have leisure time now, take your literacy skill book. What is this? This is your literacy skill book. When you have free time or leisure time, please take your literacy skill book and try to complete this. Okay, try to trace letters O and letter P. And one more thing, children, you can take sand. Okay, sand means mud. Sand. Take sand and in a bowl or plate, you can trace. You can write letter O and P on sand. Okay, it's a playful activity. Try yourself. Okay, children, take care of your health. Bye children.